You along with me on my silk press journey. I went natural about 4 years ago after I had my son. My hair became so coarse that it didn't even take perm, so I just took it as a sign to start my natural hair journey. Just as a disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a professional. I'm just a girl trying to learn and save a coin. Right now, my hair is very dry and brittle. It's been in a bun for about past week, so there's a lot of gel buildup, and it's just really time for a wash. First, I'm gonna start off by spraying my hair with water just to get some moisture in there. Then I'm going to detangle and I'm going to follow up with a conditioner. I'm going to use my TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Condition to help comb through my hair. Normally, I use the deep hydrating hair mask from TGIN, but I completely use the entire jar, and that is probably the first time I've emptied a hair product. So I will definitely be repurchasing that, but for today, we're gonna use the leave-in condition. My hair is pretty thin, so I don't need to break my hair up into too much sections. I did one wash before this one, and before that I had a lace front in, which left my hair very dirty and damaged after that install. And when I did my wash after that install, I think I was in a rush and I did not do a good job on my silk press at all. So this is my redo. And as far as my silk press process, I'm gonna give myself about 50%. I feel like I have all the products. I just need to get the technique down packed. Also, during my last wash, I completely skipped the detangling process and my hair was so knotted. I was so upset. But I would just suggest to take your time, do your hair on a day that you don't have anything else going on so that you can get the best results. Since going natural, my curl pattern has completely came back, which I am so happy about. Every time I wash my hair and I see my curls, it makes me so happy. There's still parts of my hair that's straight, but I feel like these are just areas that were trained straight since I've been doing this whole process. Being able to see how defined my curl pattern is has honestly been the best part of going natural. So I don't know where I saw this technique to do the deep conditioner before I washed my hair, but I did it one time and I loved how my hair came out in the end. It probably just added some extra moisture that I really needed. Then after second guessing myself, I did not do it for a while, and I did see a big difference in how my hair turned out at the end. So we're going back to this process. So I'm just using the heat cap for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna start my wash process. So this is the state of my hair after using the heat cap. As you can see, it looks a lot more hydrated. So now I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and I'll be right back. My hair is freshly washed. For shampoo, I used the Olaplex clarifying shampoo, and then I went in with my shampoo and conditioner. So to start off the blow drying process, I'm gonna go in with the Color Wow Dream Coat. Another product I'm using today, which is new to me, is also from Redken. It is the Extreme Anti-Snap Treatment. So this is supposed to help with breakage, which I had a lot of last time. So I'm also going to spray this very generously on each section. The blow dryer I'm using today is the Wavy Talk blow dryer with the comb attachment. This blow dryer is on Amazon and it was a recommendation from a hairstylist that I saw on Instagram. Comb attachment is getting the hair very smooth and soft. So far, I am loving the blow drying results. My hair feels clean, fresh, light. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And the last product I'm going to use on my hair is the Chi Silk Infusion. This just helps to give a little bit of shine to the hair and adds a little bit extra softness to it. To straighten the hair, I'm using my Babyliss straightener, which is a titanium straightener. And I'm just gonna go in section by section using the chase method to get my hair as straight as possible. I'm in between the two highest settings, which is 410 and 475. Sometimes my finger slips and it hits one of the other buttons, but for me, the highest heat setting works best on my hair. And then lastly, so my hair takes a natural shape, which it's usually shorter in the front and longer in the back for whatever reason. I know a lot of us have the same issue, but the front of my hair was pretty long, and I decided to cut it for layers. I decided to cut the front for a long layered bang. I'm not sure if I still like it. I might grow it back out again, but just to bump the ends, I have a smaller Babyliss flat iron. I will have everything linked somewhere in the description. I got a really good deal on that one from Ulta. I feel like my silk press could be straighter and shinier. So if anybody has tips, help us out, help the girlies out in the comments below. Always open to suggestions. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.